Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing another super fun and easy DIY essential oil project. Today we are going to be making bars of melt and pour soap. What makes this project so great is that you get to control what it looks like and what it smells like. We have these silicone molds and essential oils that we're going to be using for this project. Today I'm going to be using a goat's milk base and silicone molds. I got the soap and the molds off of Amazon, and I will leave a link to those in the description. Today I'm going to be blending some of my favorite essential oils. I have Ylang Ylang Extra, Grapefruit Pink, and Lime. Now these three together smell like bubblegum, so that's why I like it so much. You can also use pre-made blends if you don't feel comfortable making your own blends. I like to use Relax. These are all by Plant Therapy, but you can also use Stress Away by Young Living. So let's get started. The first step is to start melting our soap base. Today, I am using a double boiler on top of an induction cooktop. I like this setup because it's the safest way for me to make sure that my soap isn't burning. But if you don't have a double boiler setup, you can simply put this in a pan on low heat, or if you're not comfortable with that, there's nothing wrong with throwing it in a glass bowl and putting it in the microwave and just keep heating it until it's melted. So let's get this melting. So while that is melting, we're going to measure out our essential oils. Now we have to make sure that our dilution is correct. We have about 1 pound of goat's milk, which is approximately 15 fluid ounces. So with that, we want a 1% dilution, which is 135 drops of essential oils. I'm rounding down to 130 to make this simple. Now that dilution is based on Plant Therapy's dilution chart, which I will leave a link to in the description. So that means for this blend, I'm going to use 26 drops of Ylang Ylang, 78 drops of Grapefruit Pink, and 26 drops of lime. So to make this simple for me, I am going to pre-mix the essential oils into this shot glass so that when the soap is ready, I can just pour it in. So let's get blending. We need 78 drops of Grapefruit Pink. Then we need 26 drops of lime. And lastly, we need 26 drops of Ylang Ylang Extra. And now we just need to wait for the soap to melt. So I have my induction burner set to 140 degrees, but this could change depending on what you are using to melt your soap. What you're looking for is the lowest temperature that you can get while still being able to melt the soap. Now, if you want to add anything to the soap, this is the perfect time to do it. Some people like to add things like dried lavender buds, citrus zest, and some people like to add coloring pigments as well. I personally don't add anything to my soap. I like it in its natural state. I've seen herbs discolor, and I haven't found a coloring pigment that I really feel safe using yet. But if there's something that you like to add into your soaps, be sure to tell us in the comments. Alright, now this is almost melted all the way, so let's get our molds ready. And now that you have your molds picked out, let's add in our essential oil blend. you want to make sure that this is mixed completely. And then we are going to pour this into our molds. So this is probably going to take an hour or two for these to completely solidify, which is the perfect opportunity for you to check out some of my other videos and hit that like button. All right, now that we've given our soap a chance to cool down and solidify, we can pop them out of the molds and see how we did. And there you have it, do-it-yourself essential oil melt and pour soap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss anything on this essential journey.